Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Narzo 20A. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices. Then type send anywhere and download this app from this developer. Open it. Select I accept. Then confirm, continue and allow. You need to select receive on Realme and send on an Android. Then tap on all of these dots and click send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only click on this one song, pick send and tap got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can either input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here, tap on allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was transferred successfully, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into menu, find File Manager, and go into my case audio. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!